Hey everyone! In this tutorial I will show you how to crochet front post and back post double crochet stitches. These are perfect for adding texture, ribbing, and it's perfect for beanies, blankets and even sweater cuffs. I'm using lightweight yarn and a 4mm hook. To practice, make a few rows of regular double crochet. To make a front post double crochet, start with a chain 3, which is the first double crochet of the row. Now yarn over, then instead of going into the top of the stitch like usual, go around the post. Insert your hook from the front around the post of the next double crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and again just like a regular double crochet. This pushes the stitch forward, creating a raised ridge. Let's make it again. Yarn over, insert your hook in the front around the post, yarn over, pull up a loop and finish like a double crochet. And again, insert your hook from the front around the post, yarn over and finish as a double crochet. But let's complete the row together. In a chain 3 from previous row, make a double crochet in a 3rd chain. I will make 1 more row of front post double crochet and come back to you. And this is how our work looked like after 2 rows of front post double crochet. Now for the back post version, make a chain 3, counts as the first double crochet, turn your work, yarn over, then insert your hook from the back, around the normal double crochet, pull the loop and finish as a normal regular double crochet. Let's make it again. Insert your hook from the back around the post, yarn over, and finish double crochet. And again, from the back around the post, yarn over and complete as a regular double crochet. Let's make it together till the end of the row. And at the end of the row, make a double crochet into the third chain from previous row. This time the stitch is pushed to the back, creating a sunken effect. And again, this looks different to a normal double crochet after a few rows. Let's try alternating front post and back post, front post and back post. Make a chain 3 for the first double crochet. And let's make a first front post double crochet. So insert from the front around the post and complete as a regular double crochet. And next stitch, let's make a back post double crochet. So insert your hook from the back around the post and complete as a usual double crochet. And again, from the front post double crochet, and from the back post double crochet. And complete the row, front post, back post. At the very end, make a double crochet into the last third chain from the previous row. And as you can see, this creates a ribbed look, great for cuffs, hats, or even entire blankets. Now, tips for beginners. Keep your tension relaxed. Post stitches can get tight. It's easiest to practice on tall stitches like double crochet. Mark your rows if you lose track of which post comes next. And that's it, front and back post double crochet stitches. Once you've got this down, you're ready to try patterns like waffle stitch or basket wave. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in comments what stitch you want to learn next. Happy crocheting!